Welcome to Gallo 12 or 24. I'm not even gonna explain on what the fuck this channel is gonna be about, but bucket seats, Miata, NB, ARP short shifter. You guys should already get the gist. Honestly, it should just speak for itself. But when I tell you guys these bucket seats was a pain to put in, it was such a pain. Being able to fit everything in, being able to just overall just super tight. Like, this is probably the tightest you've ever seen freaking bucket seats in a Miata. It was just time to get bucket seats. And what's crazy is I even recorded a video that was saying I need to get some bucket seats maybe 4 or 5 months ago, and then look at us now. We got the process right now of looking for some bucket seats. Big news, we just got a turbo kit for this. That's right. If you guys want to check out pro builds, all the builds are on there. We're going to be installing the turbo kit for this car. We're going to be restoring everything. We installed the Braun bucket seats on that channel, making the custom brackets. So check out those videos. Man, when I tell you guys this is crazy, this is crazy. It's getting pretty bad, and I drive this little ass thing. Witness a tornado in the Miata. Look at this. Oh my god, yo. Yeah, the car is a lot lower, but you're feeling the wind push you left and right. No matter how low your car is, you're gonna feel the wind. Oh yeah. Typical Florida. Oh, this road is kind of rough. Look at the wind, look at the wind. Look at that wind. Oh my god. Yo, this is getting crazy. I gotta get home ASAP. This is getting insane. That's what I die for right here. This is what I'll die for right here. Woo! Boosted, turbocharged Miata is about to be insane. Boosted Miata. Hold on. One day you will have to answer to the children of the sky. Oh, it's getting bad. Look how bad it is, guys, here. This is getting pretty crazy. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Well, I think that's gonna wrap up for the first video of Gallo 12 and 24. If you guys want to see more content, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, because this is gonna be the next big thing. I'll see you guys when I see you guys, because this weather is insane. This thing is about to fly away.